Looking at online forums, a lot of people were saying the water was coming from under the cowl. That under the cowl gets clogged with leaves and dirt, and it causes the water to flow into the blower motor. But as you see here, and when I removed the cowl, it was clean, just like in this picture. I was able to track down the leak, and it was coming from this wire plug. It's behind the fender. If you want to do this the correct way, it would be best to remove the fender and to remove the plug and put some kind of a silicone there. I did it the lazy way. I was able to put some silicone around that plug from under the fender guard and between the door. There were two other rubber plugs behind the fender guard, but they did not seem to be the cause of the leak. I applied some silicone around both of these plugs anyways, just for good measure, but they were not the cause of the leak.